Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lily's Design. For this tutorial, I will show you how to make these face masks that wrap around your ears. Please be aware these masks are not medical grade masks. They will provide a limited protection. What's nice about these masks is they are reusable. Just throw them in the wash. My pattern comes in 3 sizes. Small for a thinner face, medium is average, and large can be used for a man or a woman. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and print my free pattern. It's down below in the description. You will need to cut 2 front masks, and I'm going to use 100% cotton. I picked these up at Walmart. They're 99 cents. And if you don't have any fabric at home, you could always use some old clothes. For the elastic, you can use 3/8, you could use 1/4 inch, whatever you got, as long as it's not too thin, because this is going to be behind the ears. Or you could use some rubber bands. Another idea is to use the elastic from some old clothes. Like this jogger, it has elastic in the waist and the legs. Just cut it down to the size you need. I will also be using this material from this jogger pants for the lining. Or if you like, you could use the same material as you used for the front of the mask. All right, so we'll go ahead and cut our pieces out and put right sides together. Here's the front of the mask. I put the 2 pieces together. And here's the lining. You're going to sew 1/4 inch from the edge down and do the same for the lining. Now you want to clip your curves. Make sure you don't cut into the thread. Make sure your 2 points are at the top here. This way you'll know. You want to open it up. Oops, I want right sides together, so I'm going to open this one with the right side that way. And then the point on top, once again, right sides together. So I'm going to grab this edge and match it up with the seams. And pin it. And you want to pin it all along here. All right, let me just go over my pattern real quick. As you notice on my elastic, it will say cut 2. If you're cutting the small and you're doing the small one, you will cut 2 4-inch pieces. For the medium cut, you will cut 5 inches, and the large, you will cut 6 inches. You might have to do some adjustments depending on your ear size. I'm making the large, so I will measure 6 inches. Now place the elastic in between the lining and the front of the mask. You will want to place it about 1/4 inch from the edge. And it's okay if you're a tad off. Then pin the elastic in place. All right, now we're going to grab the elastic again and make sure it's not twisted up. And we're going to bring it to the other side. Place it about 1/4 inch away from the edge and pin it. Even everything out. Make sure your seams line up. Then pin it till you get to the other side. All right, and do the same thing for the other side. Open this up. Put this in. Open the other side up. Get the elastic, make sure it's all turned one way. and put it in there. And pin it. All right. We'll take it to the sewing machine, and we're going to start right here because we're going to leave this open so we can turn it inside out. So we will start here, go all the way around, down, all the way down here, turn here, and we're going to stop right here. Right after we got done sewing the elastic, we'll stop there. And you want to secure the elastic, so when you come around it, on all the elastic, you should go back and forth a couple of times, just to secure it in place. Okay, so I'm going to start at that elastic. And I went over the elastic, and now I'm going to go back again. This will really lock it in. And I'll do the same thing for the next elastic. All right, now we're coming to the last elastic. So we want to make sure we don't go too far, because right here is where we're going to leave the opening for us to turn it. Go back. And I'm going to go back one more time. I really want to lock that stitch in. There we go. And you can see I left that opening. That's where you're going to be turning the material. All right, now we're going to turn it inside out. All right, to get all the corners out, I'll use my paintbrush. You're going to fold this in about 1/4 of an inch. And we'll adjust this. And if you want, you can take it to the ironing board, but you don't have to. Don't know if you could see that. And I'm just going to put my clip there for now. Now you can take it to the sewing machine and you can sew all the way around. All right, I'm going to start with the opening. And see, this is why it's important on the ears to get that elastic going in one direction. You don't want this all twisted up. That's it. You're all done. It's that easy. I would love to see how your mask turned out. You can tag me on Instagram at Lily's Design 1. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.